10 reasons to use diatomaceous earth in the garden. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Diatomaceous earth, also called diatomite, is a naturally occurring substance mined from certain lake bed deposits. It is made up of fossilized diatoms, a type of sluggle-celled planktonic algae that lived in the ocean and freshwater lakes many hundred years ago. The silica-rich shells of these microorganisms give this chalk-like substance with exceptional porosity and an abrasive property. You can find several uses for this natural material in your garden. Here I am going to discuss only 10 uses of diatomaceous earth in the garden. Number 1. Use it as a mechanical pesticide. Diatomaceous earth is a non-toxic way to control pests in the garden. It is effective against all insect pests that crawl on plants because contact with the powder is extremely dehydrating. After watering the plants, dust them with an applicator. This will help the powder stick to plant surfaces. Number 2. Keep slugs off your plants. Apply diatomite in a circle around the plant to keep the mollusks from reaching your loving plants. When their soft bodies come in contact with the powder, the sharp particles inflict tiny cuts on the skin. The dehydrating effect of the powder causes them to lose too much fluid. Number 3. Eliminate flies. Flies in the garden, especially black flies, can be a menace. Sprinkle the diatomaceous earth liberally on the plants and on the ground to control them. Flies tend to avoid treated areas. Number 4. Get rid of maggots in compost and manure. Manure and compost piles can house the larvae of many types of flies. Diatomaceous earth is your best bet. Just sprinkle it all over the pile to handle the maggot situation if you want to get rid of them. Number 5. Control aphids. Aphids feed on plant juices by piercing young plant parts and sucking the sap. This can stunt growth of plants and reduce yield. They can reproduce quite fast, spread to other plants around, and also spread many viruses. Diatomaceous earth is an excellent aphid remedy when you want to avoid chemical pesticides in your garden. Dust the infected plants with this powder and get rid of aphids. Number 6. Get rid of ants. Large colonies of ants, especially mounds of fire ants, can be a cause of worry. Dust the plants with diatomaceous earth powder to get rid of them. Number 7. Keep mite populations down. Dust the entire yard, especially the lawn, with a liberal amount of diatomaceous earth. Use an applicator to do this and repeat it once a month during the flea season. Number 8. Discourage rodents from visiting your garden. Rodents like rats, moles, mice and rabbits often do great damage to your garden. They are known to have an aversion to citrus and peppermint smells. So, you can use small containers of diatomaceous earth with a few drops of essential oil of lemon or peppermint as deterrents. This highly porous substance is better than cotton balls in both absorbing the oil and retaining the smell for longer periods. Number 9. Use it as a deodorizer. You can use this substance in the garden as a chemical-free deodorant. If you have a spot in your garden that cats or dogs use as their toilet, mix some diatomaceous earth into the top layer of the soil or just sprinkle it liberally all over the place. Sometimes compost piles smell foul. Use diatomaceous earth to deodorize the pile. Number 10. Use it in pots and containers to increase porosity. Diatomaceous earth is often used as a medium for growing plants, although it does not have much to offer any nutrition. It has the capacity to hold fertilizers and then release it to the roots slowly. Mix diatomaceous earth with potting soil to increase drainage and air circulation in the root zone. Keep these uses of diatomaceous earth in your mind. Use it wisely in your gardening activity. If you like this video and it helps you, please click the like button. Share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.